Hello boys and girls, welcome to Mrs. Bandu's Math Movies. This is Course 2, Lesson 5-4 for Period 4, solving proportions. Our objective today is to solve proportions using unit rates, mental math, and cross products. You probably want to have a calculator handy because some of these are numbers that will be more convenient worked with calculators. Okay, so we go right into examples because we've already defined unit rate and proportions and such. Okay, the cost of 4 light bulbs is $3. Use the information to find the cost of 10 light bulbs. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we'll find the unit price. So that's step 1, find unit price. So I'm going to take $3 divided by 4 light bulbs. So 3 divided by 4 is going to be 0.75 or 75 hundredths, or in this case 75 cents. Now once you know the cost of 1 light bulb, you're going to multiply to find the cost of 10. So I'm going to take 75 cents times 10, which is going to be $7.50. So the cost of 10 light bulbs is $7.50. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. So we found the unit price. Step 2 then is multiply by the number of items that you are going to buy at that price. Okay, the next one is solving proportions using mental math. Now, if this little diagram confuses you, don't freak out about that. But we're just basically what we're going to be doing here is thinking about equivalent ratios. So we have 5 over C is equal to 30 over 42. Now, so I look where I have two numbers. 5 times 6 is 30. So the common multiplier is 6. So what I want to know is what number times 6 gives me 42. So what I can also think is, what is 42 divided by 6? I would almost go back this way and think of division here. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. So the missing number is 7. C is 7. And I can check that. 7 times 6 is 42. So again, don't let this little schematic here confuse you. Alright, next thing, 9 over 4 equals 72 over t. Since 9 times 8 is 72, 4 times 8 is 32. So t equals 32. Okay, so this is using some mental math, doing equivalent ratios. And remember, a proportion is a statement that two ratios are equivalent. So all we're doing there. Moving on to our next example, and this one is using cross products. We want to solve 6 over 8 equals 9 over 8 by using cross products. Okay, remember cross products takes the numerator of one ratio and multiplies it by the denominator of the other ratio. So 6 times A is 6A, and then 8 times 9 is 72. I want to solve for A, so I'm going to divide each side by 6. 72 divided by 6 is 12. So again, what I'm wanting to do here in my next step basically is solve for A. I'm going to undo multiplication by 6. So that means I'm going to divide by 6 each side. So back to solving equations that we worked on a little bit earlier. Alrighty. So here are several quick checks for you to answer. They go pretty nicely with the examples. So go ahead and work through these. Have them ready for discussion next time we meet in class. Please be sure you write down all of your work and bring in any questions you might have as well.